Hello fan collectors, Braxton Vintage Fanman here, and what we have here today is a Nutone Slimline ceiling fan, 36 inches, white and polished brass. Got this from Habitat Restore, I think a couple months ago now. Yeah. Still good, still working pretty well. Yeah. Canopy's not original, nor is the mounting bracket. I do not have either one on there because, one, the canopy does not fit this mounting bracket, and two, the original mounting bracket is recalled and it's a pain to mount, so, which is why I have that type of mounting like that. Other than that, the rest of the fans, the whole fan's complete, so, yeah. There are some tarnishes and other in places, as you can see. Mainly on the irons, so yeah. Here's low. And I also replaced the pull chain because the pull chain was broken when I found it, or when I got it. And I've discovered that there's a transformer in there, well, which most Nutones have. But I discovered when putting the new chain in, it takes a 3-way chain from a light kit, which I was kind of shocked to see. So that's what this has at the moment. So yeah, I was shocked to see that. Medium, which is not much different than low. There'll soon be a change in this bathroom though, but I'm not going to spoil it as of yet. It's going to be after Fanimation. And hint, hint, it's coming from the Russian Fazbear. So you guys might know what it is. Another hint, it's 29-inch. So, yeah. Ain't moving much here. Well, at the tips of the blades you can feel it. Not much though. I keep it on a low reverse. I usually keep it in reverse. It changes speed. Usually it's on low reverse though, but sometimes it changes its speed. Sometimes it gets changed speeds by me. So yeah. Also, I do have a 3-speeder here. Like low as down, that's off, low, medium, and high. So yeah, that's how that is. The irons are decent in this thing though. Can't say that. So yeah, the switch hasn't been popped open once just to replace the pull chain. That's it. That's all I needed was a new pull chain. Other than that, it was fully functional and complete. So if you know Aiden's Ceiling Fan Corner, he has one of these. This exact same finish. Debating on selling this at Fanimation. I don't know yet though. I got a bunch of crap I'm selling this year. I still got for sale. So, come on, Slimline. Taking forever, holy crap. It's been like 2 minutes already. Finally coming to a stop. There it is. Low reverse. medium reverse, which is not much different either. Slightly faster though. And here's high. Does a decent job in here though. Alright, now let's go ahead and 0 to high. It gets up to speed pretty slowly though. I don't know why. Just does. Alright. That's full power there. Well, this will be coming down, and hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, have a great day, folks, and peace. More videos to come.